Alright, crash through your boredom helmet. It is time for the world of everything. I am Professor Nathaniel Xanadu, and today, our lesson is Rain, Warrior of Sky. As you remember, Cloud is usually happy. However, the natural nemesis of Cloud is Lightning, which is not the real name, for if we actually say what lightning is, it brings it down upon us. And lightning often strikes Cloud, turning the frown real. The tears of a cloud form a unique ambrosia known as rain. But never fear, on the ground, rain drops, and from it springs life eternal. That's right. Trees, buildings, and people are the children of rain. In conclusion, rain, the bastard child of cloud and lightning. I am stressed.